Get it.
It's March 18 ang guys pala.
18! Paila ka may manok. Pero March... I thought it was
Iboka,
around June.
the fact that I remember all of your birthdays except maglisod pa ko sa ko mom nga birthday. I remember it. Maglisod lang ko. And then maglisod pud ko sa kato ex sa ako ex birthday. I just had a hard time remembering other people's birthdays, but
Kasi sa ano, this, sa ilahang uh, importance sa imong life. Ay, di mo ba hinumduman,
ako
Jid?
mom really important sa life.
Sa
I mean,
ano
I
ra na
don't know.
sa date yun na sa date kanang the number and the date na thing.
Yeah, probably.
Kay napad ko yung relatives na I don't remember the birthday of. Even though we celebrate it all the time.
Bro. Excuse.
Manong dako ning tibok dungeon para fame na ako apas ani siya kaysa sa bullshit nga gihatag sa ako karon.
Wait, I'm gonna search.
Ang chest. It's a purple chest.
Oh my.
And then this is fine. This is fine. Side boss niya, side boss.
Jeez. Di ba siya ang next sa excellent kay masterpiece, or is there another ano for masterpiece? Ay, after excellent.
think- Wait, which one is like more outstanding? or excellent?
Holy shit! So this does
Masterpiece,
not.
excellent, excellent.
More
Di ba
siguro
masterpiece? I think masterpiece. Yeah,
O
it's
dili ba ang
masterpiece.
masterpiece ang sunod? Ang nangutana siya kung unsay
Oh.
more, it's excellento.
Di ba it's masterpiece? Kay ang naadri sa market.
Wala ba ka na mati?
Ah, wala
Sean
din.
asked that which is better, outstanding or excellent? I said excellent, and you keep just saying masterpiece.
Oh, I thought you were comparing masterpiece and excellent.
It's fucking, oh my god.
Oh, padungog. Yeah, ay 739K. It's not actually 687.
Kaya baka
Holy
pala, I'm making money kaya I've been saving runes, right? So nangita ko og like tier 5, tier 4 og tier 6 na walay runes. Ako paliton tag 25 ra man na, 25k. So niabot ka na ako og kuan point nga enchantment, like 2 points of enchantment or 1 point og mahimo siya 100k, 200k.
Magani, moped na dapat, I think, need gamit himuon. Same kay Keanu, I think that's his plan. Walang nagasave
Mga
siya,
yaw
bro.
ginabuhat na ron. Sige ra kog kuan 200k, 300k.
Uy, ana, Jit, kay para kuan, dagko imuhang profit.
Wala ko
Oh, naman is
makuha
manok.
na drop.
Euro ass. Yeah, ay naka 1.2.
1.2.
Yes. Manok.
Tag 3 million get.
Ha?
Tag 3
Aha.
million get do. Lagi.
Legit? Is it because
Yep.
of its quality? Sa tunod sa quality?
Oh.
Ano sa quality ato?
Oh.
Masterpiece?
Dili kanang 4 star yun siya. Basta ka na 4 enchantment.
Upat pa ko to kayo.
Christine is
okay.
not a joke to find. Kay
Jesus.
ano nag-people, hog.
Tanawa sa
Hindi nila
market.
isel, no?
Pila sa... Ay, ikaw ra ang nagasell ana sa market manok. Itaas pa ang price if ikaw ra isa ang nagasell.
Na po may mga tulo.
Oh, sayang ay. If ikaw ra isa, you can, manipulate the market for it.
Ako gibalik niya kuan kanang 3 mil ang uban kay 3.1.
Ah, okay. That's good. That's nice.
Uban. Mabalik niya.
Cool.
Tambay pa nag-marketplace for 1 week.
Mugamay na po ng price on.
Okay na, may uba na mo pastel da yun, ano.
Depende sa...
Abot lang kung na uban ma-surprise ko.
738,999.
Ito man. What you will do?
Nag-busy si
Nagkuhan
JD.
ko. The ritual.
Ako ama
Doon sa?
skin.
Black zone nga kuan solodan.
I'm doing N-word cosplay.
What the fuck?
Roleplay
The
day,
fuck?
not cosplay.
Dali mo to kakuan pud galing na. Ako sa middle sa map ba, bago ako nakagawa sa safe portal. Kuan bitaw ako kanang murag na DC. Pagbalik
No
na
way,
ako,
did
ano
you
suot
die?
ako. Oo, matay lagi. May ganay kuan na to kanang murag 100k lang gear.
Hmm.
Basically cheap lang.
Yeah, I
Easy.
keep...
Wala pa makuha ang mga kuan.
Cheap ra gid na beta pa lang 100k.
What the freak?
Yeah. Kung ito ang Black Zone, makuha na yung mga 300, 500k. So, yung equipment kay
Bawi na
wala.
dayon na diretso. Kaya pa tong nahitabo ka siya.
Mga 200k.
Wala nakabawi nakaato siya or wala pa.
Oh, like the next run ako. Ug dugi na pud ko nakabawi
Wala
ato.
gamitan na rin mo kuan.
Pila na ka million fast.
Paspas na kayo no.
So,
Black Zone, easy. Gamitan mo kuan Paula ka ng premium at ato Black Zone sa pangitag mga kuan. Dungeon, boss layer.
Kita mo?
basta don't do what JD ni Canada did sa first time.
Well, what happened?
What do you mean? What happened?
What
You
did
were
they,
there.
What
You
did they
watched
do
us
again?
die.
JD and Kian. Ay, katong mo, ano lagi sa mount? I thought you said black zone.
That's what. Yes.
Charge ako.
Oh, wasa di karon manok.
He left.
Never mind.
Nakasupply.
Uy, Paula ba ignored.
Yeah, I kaniyong ko gamiton but never mind. I'ma sell these. What is this?
Yama, Shan, I swear, ninduta maday aning broadsword Shan niya ay
Use it.
kasi ang iyaha kuan ba? Third skill gali.
Hmm.
So insane like ang interrupt o niya ang damage multiplied by depende sa buff na ako. Paminawa ha. Leap towards the enemy, interrupting their casting spell, dealing damage based on the amount of heroic charges. Heroic charges, you get 3. 0, 250 damage. Isa, 411. Duha, 600. Ulo, 3, 800. And if finishing blow ni mo maigo ang enemy doing that skill, mo reset siya. 100% reset. It's so good, man.
Murag ano din. Like, curse stuff. The stacks. Tapos one finishing blow.
Mura ba kung
Honest pricing.
buff magud siya sa ako ang curse. Dili, instead of like one stack sa enemy, stack siya sa ako
Hmm.
Kay I hit fast, like really fast. Ana gani. But ana pud kailangan pa nako punon. Tuon na ka Paula. Tuon na dra Paula.
Mana. Kanina. Kuan ko, wala ko yung work today. Wala sila yatagan. Wala sila
Ako duha ra ako
nag-
kids today mo nakadula na din ko.
Yeah. Oh, niya, ano ko, na-realize na ko, wait, mag-grades ko 9. So, basically, dili ko kayo makabi Albion. So, I need to study now para maka-skin ko until
Ay Paula
expert
mid-maxing her life. Yeah.
pass.
Even
Gani.
I'll be in mid-max.
I will skin now. Ay, pork pie na. I gotta buy pork pie. Ay! Yay! Ay, karon pa ni gamay ang price. Ay, never mind. Kuan man day ito ang 16k din, no? Ang in this potion. I thought di 5.
See you later.
16k ang per 5.
And she's turning delusion. Medyo mo rin pasig online kay kanang break time niya. Ay,
Oh, I'm surprised na ganahan si Jom sa Albayon. Albayon? Albayon.
padong nag-albayot ba? W name bro. Ay.
Na norm na ang term.
Oh my god! Let's go!
What? Oh, nakay nakuha din. What did you get?
7 Grandmaster Satchel inside. It's fat. It's really fat. Blue chest lang pag to. Let's go. Although gamay ra ni compared sa makuha gid ni Kipoy because that guy's insane.
Abi na kung nasa diha, Jid. Wala di siya balay.
Na
Right.
earn 300 season points with your guild.
What does
the
that mean?
Guild might category gathering outlands, roads, levels increase to 200 season points.
What does that mean?
Is dato na to. I don't know what the hell it means, man.
Guild is upping.
Ay, wala pa po ko ato sa ano. Nakaalta na sa island. Sila Keanu na bahala ato.
Your Epstein Island.
Paula
Yes.
wants to rape us and I'm scared. Up laughing, you're scaring me.
Ito yung robot AI. Alam, Amber.
Ang ako na buhaton Paula no kay maghubo lang ako character running around. No
And
one
then,
touches me.
Yung mo
And then I equip all my high tier gear pag sulod na ng dungeon.
I knew it. Just make sure, Jid, you don't run into some psychopath that kills everyone even if naghubo.
Ang ako plan next kay mag-donkey lang ko para gid ko sa budol.
Faction wars ata diya. Oh. Ay, dapat you would go fuck.
Yo, Wodro.
You would.
Gidog-inspect ko nila gibiyaan dahil ko. There's like 2 gankers here. They killed one guy. They killed one guy here. Dolan sila nako. Kunya pagligi nila nga naked ra ko. Just gibiyaan ko. Such a good fucking way to like trick people. This is insane.
Hold you.
Paula, you rat. Are you so proud of this?
It was
Siya who
first.
taught this demon.
Ano di?
Tsaka ng portal diya. What does that do?
Bro, that guy did not know I had like 400k on me, man.
I'm curious. So basically, ang mga items, it won't show if nasa imuhang what's this bag.
Inven.
So di siya mo show sa imong
Equip.
profile na 400k
Yeah.
ka. Oh, that's what the fuck? May gani wala nila gi-patch.
Ang biggest giveaway sa ako is I'm wearing a bag.
Oh shit.
But then my horse- At pwede naman ako tanggalon kay wala pa man niabot sa carry weight sa ko horse. So, it's fine. Kita ra sila horse.
They're afraid because they're probably thinking, yay, someone's scouting.
Ang naka-worse ani is if they notice my horse is blue, One ng biggest red flags ako. It's a blue horse. Tier 2, tier, sana, tier 4 na horse ba? I would, I would leave someone who's like tier 3 nga horse, journeyman horse. Kaya mo yun na ang like, either scout or just fucking scavenger. But people don't care about me because I'm naked.
Ay.
What they generally look at is kuan lang.
We care about Eugene.
No! I'm not 6'7".
7. What
God
does
damn it.
that mean? Basically, 6'7" means good. Like, you're good.
Yes.
You're slay.
Wala kasabot atong gikuan niya siya.
Yay!
Ingon niya sa ako ang did how kuan are you right now? How in general how do you feel? Ingon din siya nga 10 is great, niya 1 is bad. Anak ko nga, I think I'm around in a 6 or closer to 7 and then it started there.
I thought koan.
The fact that I had to explain this joke is insane.
I thought ano the dude that Sean keeps mentioning said that to you. Di ay.
Oh, what the hell?
What the hell?
I don't think anyone talks like that, no?
What the hell?
It's a Paula thing.
There's no such thing as a Paula, I guess.
What the
Oh,
hell?
really?
What is a Paula?
Shimmy
Um,
shimmy.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up! I wanna punch you right now.
Kumbaga name side aray jid shimi.
Oh my imagine
Proceed
ako.
to fucking sing, yeah. Oh my. I can see it too. Like, genuinely, she might actually do that.
Bro, every time I laugh, I fucking cough. What the frick? Does that mean I'm dead?
Are you on about, bro?
Yes.
No, but I laugh and I cough. Am I dying? Jesus Christ. Talk about extreme. Oh, no. Matay na ka, Paula. Oh, no.
Shit.
Yeah, what the fuck is that robot shit, man?
Wala, maybe it's because, wait. Yeah, wait. Mag-aircon ko. Okay. Yeah, gabi ka init ang laptop.
Init
Jid.
ang mga goy.
Yeah.
Yati.
Naman siya.
Ni balik na ko from Mist na doon ako sa red zone. I was checking and I saw na naido ako hostiles.
Oh.
Okay, I need to be careful. Tas ni wear off na ako Pi, so overloaded na ko.
Oh, no.
So like I was looking at the inventory, it's like na wala mo ko yung drop puro mga ano man eh, mga tier 6.
Ride your mount.
Oh, nag-ride ako sa mount pero like it's a bit slow lang. As I was riding, I went past the 2 guys na wala naglihok. Tapos na 2 dead bodies.
They were looting, I bet you.
Wala sila naglutag, like ano lang sila on their horse, nag-pose. Tapos
They were all far-
ato ko sa side, tapos like it was on the edge of a cliff. So like awkwardly, nituyo ko around them. Gisircle ko sila.
You got it. Ilang AFK to or some shit.
Oh. Shit is
Kalaki,
crazy,
what
bro.
the hell?
Bringing like 300k.
Man, this is so boring.
Paula, 300k from one pork pie.
What the Ay, namatay ka sa red zone, no? Fuck!
Red zone na mist. Okay, it's a black zone
Whoa!
mist anyway. So yun.
What's that?
Would it be good if naatay ko ano? Outpost dali.
It's a black zone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pila ka ano? Wala,
Wala
pila
ko.
ng outpost.
I have no clue. But you can
Oy,
make
JM, what the fuck?
you can make I give you perms. Ang ano diha, second highest nga perm is right hand. Then ang highest kay Koan. Sina ng Master of Coin. Pakinel, walay ano, leather. Pero ang only difference sa Master of Coin kay makaano sila sa tax and I withdraw.
Pang tax ka na mo siya.
Give me your money.
Yawa. Wala, sorry na.
What happened?
Nothing.
What? Why? Did you black out for a moment or something?
What happened? Yeah, what percent? Oh, 85. Nice. Oh, thank God, nag-level.
Part of the beads.
Yeah, basically, nag-aalto di si Manapog ka ng butterfly. Napa yung butterfly sa, ano, black zone?
Ako magun sex system. Nag-butterfly makuron ka ng
Oh.
ako agi ko na butterfly kay tier 1 naman green.
Yeah, ay. Grabe di ka-rare ang leather sa mists, no? Baka natsambahan.
Uy,
Oh, for owls.
Oo.
And na leather imo. Are you like going for tier 4s to tier 5s?
Oo, kana. Na, one.
The owl is tier 5.
Oo.
Small mist cougar is tier 5.
tier 4. Oh, tier 5 eh.
Ang mist cougar runt ang tier 4. The normal mist cougar is tong robust tier 6. It's so annoying how they did that. Kaya like gamay ra ang difference sa size nila ba. So you have to click on them to know.
Para bitong Sabertooth, naglagot bitaw ko ara siya.
Yeah, until now wala ko kabalo which one is which. Which gives which
Unsa man.
Sabertooth.
Sabertooth?
Mm,
Normal Sabertooth is tier 5. The adult is robust.
okay.
Ang adult is like slightly bigger. So, datoy kuan siya sa Black Zone tier 7 na
Mm.
hide kuan map. Utang ina. Kita kog tulo ka kuan adult Sabertooth. So ako target. Ang 13 dayon sa ubos were like children. Like they're just normal Sabertooths. Pissed me off so much. I was like, what the fuck? You gave me 3 just for me to look at 13.
Oh, Wars.
Wala ba? Haluoy ni boy. Na-excited kang more.
Fucking hell. Yung correlate sa inyong, ano din, what was that again?
I mean, whose fault was that? Tumaging
I forgot dun sa top, but it was a tree and a stone.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
Rough stone and rough log.
Yeah, that one.
Pissing me off by anong kuhan. Rough-stone o vlog. Always getting in the way.
Gosh, I'm so slow.
Abot na lang aning
In game
leveling
or
sa
real life?
Grandmaster.
Both.
Ay kabala ka. Pareha man ta.
What?
Pero pag mag-jogging dili slow you freak.
Ay, force of nature man na si Paula.
Gani.
Ay,
Uh-huh. Right.
she's so proud of it.
I'm dead. I am dead. I am dead. I am dead. I am dead.
I died.
Roadkill.
I died in a dungeon. God damn it. Durability is going to dura shit. Did I forget
Ability to dura.
My god, I forgot the horse. 49.
Wait, what?
Careful mo sa video na ako isend sa Discord. It's kinda cursed.
What is it?
I fucking hate it. Nagtanaw na ko sa thumbnail and I already hate it.
Hinay ka ni Paula.
What is that? What is that? What is this? Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy.
Why? Why did you do this? Ed?
Dapat ka low quality ang sound.
Bro, di ba sa una kay mo man ang ano ni GR? Mas song? Ginasayaw man. So I was like, why is it a meme now?
But BRB guys, we will dinner out and I will be back.
Sheesh!
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Buat ka pala. Chalang hell na.
Yeah,
Sunod na mag-invite. Uy, dinner tadri guys.
Develop ka pala eyes.
Mm.
Ay, sige ba, mig panguan yun ni Ice. Esther.
Mga narata na. Ayos ganun kumuban. Okay, bye.
Right, that he doesn't, ano, invite.
Meron ka jib na. Jib, ganun ka mo uban. Oo.
Oh, why did you say that to her?
Wala
What?
pa man.
Ay,
I will BRB later. Goodbye.
eh,
You're still farming there, Paula?
yes. Okay, 3 ka pork pies.
This poor girl. Bitaw, Paula, I'm just fucking with you. Okay.
After this,
Okay. Unsa, Paula?
after this, should I go sa... Ay, yeah, Black Zone na din ko.
Wanna try doing it? Like, mga raid lang ka?
Oo. Dungeon.
Pwede ka 5.1, unya mag tier 5 dungeons lang ka.
Pero ako ang
Ha?
Ako ang equipment.
5.1 gani ka. 5.1 ka, unya 5 tier 5 dungeon ka. Di ka mag tier 6 pa rin ako. Ako equipment tier 6, all of it.
Jesus. With enhancement?
Ha, o tier 1 enhancement. I mean like kung ma-afford, why not? Tawa mo ra lagi itong nahulog sa kuan. Ang clerk ni Shagit. I don't know what to feel about it.
Oh no.
Yay! Ako offhand, level 6 na Paula.
What is that? Ay, unsa na ngayon mo off-handed?
For now, torch pa. Bago naman ako nag-equip og journeyman.
Ay, mag-ano ka, Blue Flame?
If I can get it, yeah. Maka, dapat at least tier 5 na. Di ko mo sugot kung di ni tier 5.
Oh, what's this? Ay. I am dying. Mga 5, I will lungag.
Okay.
Where are the boars?
Surprised.
Well, ay, kanina lang, even if it's not just shiny. What if to sa gold shimmer na lang ko, Jid?
Go! Ako man nakasulti man ko das gold shimmer Paula.
Oh.
300k nga item, 600k na item. Dalay mo high tier loot. Oh, high tier na shit.
Push! It's a blue boar!
Oh,
Oh my god.
that's so sad. I love you, Paula, but this is sad.
Ow!
Oh, the best of us has fallen, bro.
What happened?
I'm surprised no si Keanu went for like a generic na element type.
What do you mean? Ooh! Or... Ay, pwede ba siguro mag-board na lang ako sa red zone?
I mean, yeah, magaan pa kag black red zone or black zone na kuan. Magaan pa kag kuan Paula. Same, dako.
But if na yung hostel, I'm a bolt.
Or just get on your horse and look at them.
True.
What will this chest give me? That's it.
Ay naman di, ano din. Huh? Ay. Okay ata to. Bay, wala si Manok nag ano diya, Jid.
Online na to si ganiha.
I mean diha, bawan ni Ad ko diha.
Ang iya other account, I think, na dali ganiha. Grabe mag-skipoy ka grinder.
I mean,
Oh
ni Ad ko diha.
my God, Paula, nakakwarta na po.
What that?
Grandmaster Mace, tier 7. Pretty happy with mine. Ano sa man, Paula?
Tip ano? I mean diha ba sa internetan?
Oh, I don't know with him, man. He's being a bitch. Bitch. Actually, katong nagupitaran mi, Paula, naghagad naman to sila for reasons unknown.
Oh. Holy shit, that's a lot of... Can I have this shit?
I don't know, Paula, can you?
Get away, this is mine. Live stream.
Lol, na namatay diri. Poor guy. No, no, pud. Okay, I'll take it all.
Siguro mag-wild stuff na lang ko, Jid. Yeah, I think I can sacrifice my wild stuff instead sa akong cursed.
Oh, okay. Wait, what?
Para maka-heal.
So di ka mag-blight?
I wanted to, pero I wanna focus lang sa wild. After
Unsa
wild,
na yung level sa mo blight? Unsa na yung level sa mo blight? Unsa yung level?
what do you mean blight? I don't have a blight. Wild
Unsa
na
yung
ako pa.
unsa yung level sa mo curse? Unsa yung level sa mo curse?
Oh. On. 31.
Unsa man unsa yung level sa mo natures or blight or whatever healing bullshit stuff you have?
Ah, wild. Kung ano pa? 17. Pwede man, magpalit na lang po blight, pero
You know what pala, up to you.
yeah. Mag-wild ako.
Kay I can't say much kay ako man pud sige makogbal is og weapon to weapon. Oh. Nananan. Basta nara ko isa ka weapon gi specialize yun. Kung ako axe. Matawag ba tog axe?
Wow.
Diba pa ka pala when I'm ready to solo gang
What?
kung maka-afford kung dato na kay ko 10 mil sus tawa pa wala. Palit-palit na lang kog kits ana pang solo gang.
Mga kuy plan ng manok.
Dato na mo to skipoy. Rich motherfucker. Why is there why is there 13 to 16 to 13 people 60 to 30 to blah, 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 30 people here? Wala. I'm just gonna say
Are you gonna die?
I don't know yet. I don't know yet.
You have 10
It's-
seconds
I don't know yet.
sa shield. And then you can go back.
Oh my god, that's a lot of people fighting at the area where I need to go.
Good luck, God bless.
Oh my god, they're coming this way. I have to hide in the dangayon. Sige pala, mag-AFK sa dungeon. Alright, what have to watch YouTube.
Wait, di ba you have to guard it in case someone goes in as well?
It's the black zone pala. No one goes in solo dungeons anymore.
In case?
Na, they all, musulod na sila kung they saw someone going in. Unya,
Wala di
typing.
ko kitaan.
Oo. Layo pa man sila. Pakita magud nimo ang PvP Paula or
Sa red.
the insane amount of people, the red ball.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, I'm going in this dungeon. I'm not leaving.
Pwede ko ka skin aning ostrich? Ay, di ba no? Pak!
Tier 5.
Ooh, finally. That's mine, that's mine, that's mine. Get away, get away, get away. That's mine.
Yawa, grabe ka greedy bata.
Holy shit! This is mine. Hala. Only guild challenge? I didn't know that.
Mabay sa kong food pala. Kada lang. Naraman sa likod na ko.
Okay, okay. Okay.